What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Here with this crypto dad. First time coming across our YouTube channel, what you have to do is you have to click on the subscription button, then you have to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever we drop any video. On this channel we drop how to make money by participating in airdrops and money making apps. Make sure you click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification icon to get updates when next we drop a new video. Okay guys, in today's video I'll be showing us on how to verify your BYBIT account. I know most of us have been finding it difficult to verify your cryptocurrency wallet account. I'll be showing us on how to verify your BYBIT account right now. An easy step on how to verify this particular account. Verifying Binance account too has been made easy. If you're in Nigeria, what you just need to do is you have to verify using your BVN. So you have to use your bank verification number to verify. If you're in Nigeria, we'll be using the same method to verify our BYBIT account. So BYBIT just added the BVN verification method. They just added it recently, so I'll be showing us how to verify using your BVN right now. Let's just get into this video. I'm having an outdated app. Let me just go ahead to update this app. I'll click on this update now. So I'll be taking over to Play Store to update. Okay. So on BYBIT, they do giveaways of NFT and also giveaways of airdrop. If you've not registered on BYBIT, you can also go ahead to register on BYBIT. I'll be waiting for the update to be completed. Okay guys, the update is completed. I'll just click on this open. So let me go ahead to log in. I want to log in right now. I'll just click on this login button. If you've not created your account, just go ahead to click on create. You just have to click on this sign up button. I'll be going back to sign in. Okay, now I'm on BYBIT right now. I'll be going ahead to verify my account. Let me just go ahead to click on this profile. You have to come over to this profile. Okay, so you'll be seeing here that I'm having an unverified account. I'll be verifying that right now. I'll click on this identity verification. Then I'll just be clicking on this verify again. I want to verify my account again. I have to select the country. Yes, you have to select your country. My country is Nigeria. I'll click on Nigeria. So you'll be seeing the different means of verification here. We have the ID card verification. We have the passport. We have the residence permit. We have the driver's license and also the BVN. The one I will be advising us to use is the BVN since you're in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria, you can just go to use BVN. But if you're in other country like let's say United States, if you're in United States, their services are restricted in your region. Let me go ahead to select another country. Let's say Bangladesh. Okay, so if you're in Bangladesh, you can go ahead to use your ID card, passport, residence permit, and also your driver's license. And I know most of us, if you don't have your driver's license, just go ahead to use your ID card verification. So you have to use your ID card verification. I'll be going back to select my country, that is Nigeria. Okay, I'll be selecting the option here, which is the BVN. I'll click on this next button. So guys, you have to follow these steps when you want to verify your account. That is your BYBIT account. You have to follow this step. I'll click on this next button. I'll be taking a picture of mine, so I'll just click on this button. Okay, so it's loading right now. Let me just wait for this. Okay, before the selfie, I need to provide details. I'll click on this continue. Okay, my country is Nigeria. I'll be entering my BVN here. I'll enter my BVN. I'll just click on this continue button. I'll be going ahead to take a selfie of mine. Okay guys, I already done the face verification and I've also submitted my BVN. So the verification status has been completed. I've successfully verified my BYBIT account. So guys, I'll be closing this page right now. Okay, let me just go back. The account is already verified. That is the first step. The level 1 account is verified. The benefit I have is no limits P2P trading. The fiat deposit is up to $20,000 daily, and the daily withdrawal is up to 1 million USDT and others is more events, bonuses like that. If you want to perform the level 2 verification, just click on this button. When you click on that, you have to submit your proof of address. Just go ahead to submit your proof of address. then just click on this verify now. Okay guys, so I'll perform my level 1 verification. If you want to perform your level 2 verification, you have to submit your proof of address. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you share, subscribe, and also give us a thumbs up. Have a nice day guys.